today, guys, we are working on a well house. We discovered that our pressure tank had went out on us, and also we discovered a broken 90-degree fitting in there and water was spewing everywhere. So I got my little helper with me today. Bryton, can you say hi? Wave at the camera. Wave at the camera. Okay. Anyway, she's gonna help me. We're gonna try to fix this, and we're might as well video it while we're doing it. You got to video a little bit of trouble from time to time. Stay with us. I'm gonna unpackage this pressure tank. The guy that I got it from told me they put too much pressure in them in the factory, that I need to lower it to 30 PSI from 50 PSI. So that's what we're gonna do. There's what she looks like. All right, we are headed toward the back pasture to start working on this pressure tank and busted pipe issue that we have in the well house. It's always something. We only had like 3 days of cold weather, but it was cold enough to bust a pipe even with the heat lamp going on the pipes. And I don't know if the cold weather fouled up the pressure tank or if that's just when it decided to quit, but it is not working, and now we got to get it fixed. So another typical day in the life on the farm. So here we go. Pulling up on the well house here. Gonna show you, this is my old one that was fouled up. So it's no bueno. Nice little insulated building with the heat lamp going. I don't know why, but my 90 froze and busted at the bottom. So, and I'd already cut this out before I decided to video all this. But anyway, so there's a pressure tank. I have 2 pressure tanks on this well. That one, and then of course we're gonna put another one back right here. I live in an area with terrible water. As far the quality's good, but there's not very much of it. So I have a storage tank that holds it and helps pump it for my animal water and watering my grass and that kind of stuff. But anyway, here's the setup. We're gonna go ahead and get after it. First thing I want to do is put Teflon tape around the threads of this. And then screw this coupler. It's threaded. So this is kind of what I'm basing my measurements off of. This is what was here, and it was also had a little crack in it. So we're going to replace it. First thing we're going to do is go from this fitting to a 90. Which will just take a little piece of pipe. Get a pair of pliers to open the hatch. So let's go ahead. Do one. 90. So, need about Okay, we got that all glued up on the pressure tank. We're gonna let it set up before we turn anything on. So while we're waiting on that, we're gonna go ahead and do the 90-degree on my secondary tank, my storage tank, see if we can get it fixed. And then we're gonna wait probably 30 minutes, let it set up for a little bit and turn it on and see if we have any leaks. All right, guys, the way this sits, I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut this off. We'll put another coupler on, run a little piece of pipe to where we can get that 90 the right length. Guess I could go right there and put a coupler. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go right here. So we're gonna put us a coupler there. But first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and run our 90 so we can know how high up we need to go. No, actually not. We're going to go down to our 90, make it about right here, because we can slide this back and forth, and that'll make our life a little easier there. I'm actually going to reuse this since these were busted, but the pipe's good, so I'm going to use that for our piece, kind of save a little money there. We're going to get our glue. I don't like that. Go in to about right there, into about right there. That's about right. Yeah, let's go ahead. All right, guys, just got through putting the glue on the last of it there. It may not be as pretty as a licensed plumber, but it's going to get our horses some water and the dogs some water. So hopefully that's the last time we have to do that this year. Hopefully it don't get that cold again. Now, for everybody's favorite part, cleaning up your mess. I hate cleaning up after I get through the project. I just want to walk away and go home, but we're gonna have to put this old one back in the truck, haul it off, get all our glue and tools and everything and put them back up. And I'm trying to get better at this. My wife says I'm terrible at it, but it's on video now. I'm trying. And this thing is still full of water, so we may let it drain for a while. So I just plugged in the well and it filled up the tank, pressured up, and kicked itself off. So that's a good thing. So we have no leaks from our new fittings anywhere on that deal. That's a good thing. Now I'm gonna turn it on, see if we got water. We do have a stream of water, so that is a good thing. So now we're gonna turn it off and make sure we still hold pressure. It's not kicking on and off like it was originally when I discovered the problem. Now, I think it's been long enough. We can kick this one on and make sure we don't have any leaks at this new fitting or that new fitting that we put on. So let's go ahead and try it. Hopefully it's gonna turn it in slow. There's a lot of pressure on it. I'm not seeing any leaks yet. Making a lot of noise. Okay. Got quiet, so I think we are back in business. Hopefully this helps somebody. If hopefully you don't ever have to deal with it like I did, but hopefully it helps somebody. Guys, thanks for watching Keeping Up with the Colliers today. Hopefully we don't have to do another plumbing video anytime soon. No one likes dealing with busted water pipes. And definitely not pressure tanks. I didn't realize they were so expensive till I had to buy one today. So, always be prepared during a cold snap. Keep your wells heated and keep your pipes thawed out. Till next time, Keeping Up with the Colliers. Click like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.